Just because someone's performing doesn't mean they're engaged. Your team might be hitting goals and saying they're fine, but subtle signs can reveal fading engagement. They stop contributing ideas. Stop asking questions. Stop caring out loud. If you wait for it to become obvious, you're already too late. Here are 3 ways to catch disengagement early, before things stall. First, notice the microsigns. These are small shifts, like short replies or silence in meetings. Look for changes in behavior, not just output. Second, reconnect people to impact. People stay motivated when they see how their work matters. Regularly link their tasks to the bigger mission. Third, check in with intention. Surface-level check-ins won't cut it. Ask how they're really doing, not just what they're doing. Disengagement won't fix itself. Want to keep momentum? Lead before motivation disappears.